friends, today I have brought for you an easy and healthy tea time snack, Mathri Lajawab. Unlike other matris available in the market, this one is healthier as we are going to use wheat flour instead of maida, but without compromising with the taste. But please subscribe to our channel before we begin. Take 2 cups of flour, add 1 small cup oil, 1 spoon of jeera, 1 spoon kalonji or nigella seeds, and 1 spoon of salt. You can adjust salt according to your taste. Now mix them together till the flour reaches the breadcrumb consistency, like this. Mix and try to hold the dough in your fist. Now our flour is ready. Now knead the flour and make a hard dough out of it. The dough should be hard. Cover it with a wet towel and leave it to rest for at least 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the towel, take out the dough and smoothen it a little bit. Now divide it into 2 portions. Now roll it out into a thick chapati. Like this. Now make a smooth paste of oil and refined flour, maida. It should look somewhat like this. Apply this paste evenly onto the chapati. Now start rolling it in this manner. Keep adding the paste onto the layers. Repeat the process till we reach the end of the chapati roll. Press it a little. Now trim the edges. And start cutting it into slices. Slices should not be thick. Now the layer should be visible like this. Press the matris. Roll them. Open the layers if you want to. Press and roll. Now deep fry the matris in hot oil on a medium flame. Add them one by one into the oil. Keep frying them till they turn brown. Now our matris are ready. Let them cool down and store them in an airtight jar. Enjoy healthy and delicious matris with tea. Do leave us your comments and suggestions in the comment section. Thanks for watching.